Welcome Stage 3 to your THRASS Lesson 4 Flipped Learning video. We're absolute pros at this now, so let's get started with our 6 focus words for Lesson 4. Let's have a look at them. We have the words ecotourism, elephant, evolved, excavate, geologist, and atmosphere. Have a look at these 6 words. I want you to have a think about, and you might want to pause the video. What do these 6 words have in common? What is a common element to these 6 words? Have a think. Well, something that we are going to focus on in particular that these words have in common is that they all have the grapheme E. They all possess a grapheme E. Now, have a look at each word, and I want you to ask yourself, in each of these 6 words, does the grapheme E produce the same phoneme sound? Or are there different sounds? Let's take a look at the THRASS chart and see what the THRASS chart says. Here I have identified the 3 examples on the THRASS chart where the grapheme E, the choice E, is present. Here in this box, it is in the box, when the grapheme choice E says very common. And it's also in this box here. This is the E box, you can see from all the other examples here. When the grapheme E says E, very convenient. And it also pops up down here in my favourite box, the schwa box. Sometimes it makes an sound, my favourite sound. All right. Now I wanted to draw your attention, actually we might just go back quickly and identify which word has which sound. So we have ecotourism, when the letter E makes that long E sound, ecotourism. Short E in elephant. In fact, it's got 2. You can see another one here. More of a schwa sound here, isn't it? Elephant, my favourite sound, schwa in the middle there. Evolved, another long E sound. Excavate, where it is making a short E sound. Geologist, another long E sound. And I wanted us to actually focus in on this last word here, atmosphere. Have a think about what's going on here. Atmosphere. If we go back to the THRASS chart, we can see that there is no example here down in Voweltown where there is E-R-E as there is as a grapheme in atmosphere. So it's very strange. We can't find it on the THRASS chart. But what we can hear or we can see on the THRASS chart is a box that makes the same phoneme sound that we hear in the word atmosphere. We hear the ear sound on the end, atmosphere. And that's this box here. At the moment, it has E-A-R, ear. We're very familiar with that, words like hear. And then we have E-E-R, words like deer, for example. So what we could deduce is that this word, atmosphere, has a grapheme choice, E-R-E, that could quite easily fit as a GCA, that's what this star means, a grapheme catch-all, ones that don't appear on the chart but still apply. E-R-E could live with these 2 guys here in the ear box. And I've just put a couple of examples underneath of words that also contain an ear sound at the end, created by E-R-E, and you can see that they are interfere, sincere, adhere, persevere, and sphere. Lovely mathematical word there. I wonder if there are any other words you can think of that contain E-R-E at the end, creating an ear sound. If you can think of them, fantastic. Write them in your literacy book. Come and find me and you might get a prize. All right, on to your task. Your task, as always, is to split your page into a lovely table of 5 columns, and you're going to treat each of the 6 words on your list, listing the word, thrashing it out, putting it into its syllables, writing it in its syllables, and recording how many. You can see here, ecotourism has quite a lot. Ecotourism, a little all by itself. 5 syllables, defining the word and writing synonyms. Challenge yourself. If you can write more than 1 synonym, fantastic. I want you to do that. All right, so you are going to thrash out and complete all of these tasks. And as always, your extension task is to write your list words in IPA. All right, get cracking. Good luck with your words containing the E grapheme.